Welcome. In front of me I have Realme X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize always on display. So at the first we have to open the settings, find the display and the brightness, go for the always on display, tap on the switcher to turn it on. I'm going to turn off the schedule time, and as you can see what we can display, we get the clock, date, battery, notifications, and also the mantra. It could be customized when we click right here, so we can add our favorite mantra here. Okay, and we can also change the color of the captions, the position, how it is going to be displayed. Let's get it like that. Click save, and right now when we hit the power button, as you can see here, we got it right. Also we can change this thing, and let's go for the clock, date, and maybe let's get the battery level. So let's lock device, and as you can see here we got also customize always on display. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!